Good day, class. Today, we will find out how physics helps us to understand the cosmos and eventually realize that the Earth is not the center of the universe. First, what is cosmos and how did it differ from the universe? Cosmos and universe are synonymous. It's just that cosmos is generally used to refer to an orderly universe termed by Pythagoras way back then. In other words, cosmos is an old term for the universe. Last third quarter, we discussed about the Big Bang Theory. Sa discussion natin doon, natutunan natin na this theory is all about giving us an idea that the universe started as a singularity until it exploded and expanded, where elements and heavenly bodies like the stars started to form. It is believed that planets, stars, our Milky Way, and many other galaxies were formed due to this explosion. Pero bukod dito sa Big Bang Theory, meron pang ibang mga theories na nabuo, katulad nung theory nung 1940s. Ito ang tinatawag natin na the steady state theory. British astrophysicist Fred Hoyle and others proposed a concept of the universe as an orderly and uniform one in terms of space and time that is unchanging. It is also called as the perfect cosmological principle, where the universe is termed as cosmos. Hindi katulad ng Big Bang Theory, sabi dito sa steady state theory, nagbabago daw ang stars and galaxies pero the entirety of the universe is the same as it is simula noon hanggang ngayon, and it will always stay as it is. Of course, astronomers only turned into this theory because wala pang sapat na information and equipment to support the Big Bang Theory. Meron pang isang theory na kumalat galing sa Nobel laureate na si Haynes. It is called as the plasma universe. Sabi ni Haynes, the Big Bang Theory never happened. According to him, the universe has no predictable end and no distinct beginning. But the universe is made from the fourth state of matter, which is the plasma. Merong mga evidences na nagsusupport sa theory na ito, mostly ay galing sa mga laboratory experiments. Gamit ang electromagnetic fields sa laboratory, na-replicate ng plasma ang mga patterns ng galaxies. Ang theory na ito ay pinapaboran ng mga astronomers in our time. Meron pa tayong isang theory, which is what we call the little bangs. Sabi naman dito, the universe has no beginning or end, but everything continuously created due to a series of little bangs. So itong mga little bangs na to, nire-refer to katulad ng mga big bangs, pero in a very small scale lang at nag-o-occur siya from here and there. Noong 1929, the astronomer Edwin Hubble wanted to figure out how do these celestial bodies are moving. He used the concept of Doppler effect para i-observe ang paggalaw ng mga galaxies na ito. Based on the Doppler effect, kapag papalapit sa iyo ang isang bagay, nalakas ang sound from that thing na ino-observe mo, and as for the light, it is shifted towards the blue end of the visible spectrum. Kapag naman papalayo sa iyo ito, nahina ang sound from the source and the light shifts towards the red end of the spectrum. Using the concept of Doppler effect with the help of other laboratory devices, sabi ni Hubble, oobserbahan ko itong mga galaxies na ito. I expect blue shift if the galaxies are moving towards ours, and redshift naman pag papalayo ang mga ito. In his observation, all he saw was redshift. Everything was moving away from us very fast at a speed of 1,000 miles per second. Nag-serve ang observation na ito as an evidence for the Big Bang Theory. Balik tayo sa ating Milky Way kung saan naroroon ang ating solar system. Alam nyo ba na ang paniniwala noon ng mga tao, the Earth is the center of the universe? In 300 BC, sa paniniwala ni Aristotle, Ang Earth daw ay binubuo ng 4 na elements, which are the earth, water, air, and fire. Katulad din daw ng Earth, yung ibang mga wandering stars daw ay meron ding elements, kinocompose din daw ng iba't ibang elements. Ang tinutukoy niya dito sa wandering stars na to is yung ibang mga planets. Sa paniniwala niya, ang Earth is the center of these planets and the stars is at the outer layer part of the bodies revolving the Earth. People back then believed the same concept until the year 1543, nung dumating si Nicholas Copernicus at sinabi niya na no, Earth is not the center of the universe. Sun is. Sabi niyang ganon. Other people didn't believe in him until evidences supported yung claim ni Copernicus na ang sun ang center of the universe. These evidences are mostly based on observations. One of these are the moons orbiting around the Jupiter. These moons completely ignore the Earth. So, na-realize ng mga tao na this has been one of the strongest evidences at that time na ang Earth is not the center of the universe. Eventually, in 1687, inintroduce tayo ni Isaac Newton sa theory of universal gravitation. He believed that all objects are pulling on each other with a force based on their masses and distance with each other. So, meron daw force na humihila sa mga heavenly bodies sa isa't isa base sa mga bigat nito at sa distance nila. As time goes by, people have accepted the idea that the Earth is not the center of the universe nor the solar system. That is it for now. Thank you for listening. See you on the next one.